In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make an account on Mailerlite. To begin, open your web browser and go to the official Mailerlite website. Make sure you are on the real site before you enter any details. This helps you avoid lookalike pages and keeps your account information secure. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Sign Up button. This will take you to the account creation form where you will enter a few basic details to get started. First, type in your company or organization name. If you are setting this up for yourself, you can use your business name, brand name, or even a professional project name. Choose something you will recognize later, since it may appear inside your account settings and on certain emails you send. Next, enter your name and your email address. Use an email inbox that you can access right now because Mailerlite will send a verification email that you must open to activate your account. If possible, use an email address you plan to keep long-term, since it will be connected to your account and important notifications. After that, create a secure password. Aim for a strong password that is unique and difficult to guess. A good approach is to use a longer password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and to avoid common words or personal information. When everything is filled in, click the Create My Account button. Mailerlite will then prompt you to verify your email address. Now go to your email inbox and look for the verification message from Mailerlite. If you do not see it within a minute or two, check your spam or promotions folder, since automated emails can sometimes land there. Open the email and click the link that says Verify Email Address. This step confirms that the email belongs to you and unlocks access to the platform. After verifying, return to Mailerlite and log into your new dashboard. Once you are inside, you will be asked a few questions about your marketing goals. Answer these prompts carefully, because they help tailor the setup experience and can influence recommended tools and settings inside your account. That covers everything you need to know.